Golden aviator frames on pilot. The bird gets the blame for this fly shit. No paper planes, blunt thick like an ice pick. David blamed what I do with that white shit. J's on my feet, just about to dunk on them. It ain't on purpose when you see me stunting on them.
What's up, people? This video was proudly brought to you by 412 Car Care. Enjoy.
Yeah. What is going on, my dudes? Look at that eyeball. Got soap in your eye. Don't cry. Alright, as you can see, we soaping him down. I already soaped him up, but I like to double it up sometimes. Car ain't been clean in weeks, so I ain't really been driving it. Been driving the SUV, so I'm just gonna soap him down. And you know, tip number one, because I'm trying to do this DIY stuff, don't use Dawn. Dawn's good for certain things for your car, but not good for your clear coat. So big no, don't use Dawn. If you need to, go get you some of that soap wax. If you don't really like the soap wax, you'll be like me. I'm not a real big fan and user of the soap wax. I'd rather just go get some regular car shampoo for the exterior and call it a day, because that's just the type of player I am. I like to play like that. I don't really see the need to use wax. Soap, you know what I mean? Stupid. Whatever. If you know some people who like to sponsor some people and they want me to use it, all you gotta do is say, hey, they want you to use it. Use it. I'm gonna use it. I take that sponsorship. But yeah, man, we just trying to enjoy a nice little evening out in the open. Got my shirt off. I ain't gonna show the world that, but you know, this is my weather. You know, this is what we got to deal with. The sun is setting. And yeah, I'm about to rinse this soap off, rinse this side off. It's bueno, as my Spaniards would say. Damn. And I stripped this car, I stripped it of all the wax a couple weeks ago. I want to try something new. But it's still gonna beat up the same. It ain't gonna beat up like real crazy, but that water still is gonna find its way off the car. Maybe not the hood as much. See, that hood is damaged. I've been realizing my paint is messed up on the hood, so we're gonna have to get some paint correction going on as soon as I get this garage and be able to fix this without the wind blowing on me. But windows always hold on to the wax, especially if you keep them clean, like without the window cleaner. If you just wipe them off with some good water, a nice fresh rag, your windows will stay clean. So keep that in mind when you're riding around town. It's been a rough week and you didn't get to wash your car. Just keep your windows clean. That water will roll right off. Don't nobody like water, especially me. I've been complaining about the rain so much because I can't get no business when it's raining. Nobody wants their car clean when it's raining. But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of this soap and washed, and I'll get back with y'all with the next step that I'm gonna take for this here do-it-yourself vlog. Park somewhere else, but not in front of our houses. I still ain't started fixing this stuff yet. But anyway, all right. I don't use a pressure washer. The vehicles that I clean are not that dirty. When I need a pressure washer, I will use a pressure washer. One of the reasons I don't need it for now, even for the ease of access, is just soaking the car down real good. Look how the water falls off. Just give it a second. It's about 70 some odd degrees out here. And water just rolling off of it. Some spots faster than others. Feel me? I don't know if you can see how I see it. But yeah, Magenta about to be on drip. You know, we're gonna finish the body. Then we're gonna hit the wheels up. Alright, so guys gonna get it underneath the light. Gotta get that camera clean. See my paint fading. Yeah, the roof is just as bad. Ain't nothing I can do about it but either paint it or wrap it. And the way it's looking, we just gonna wrap it. Clean it out a little bit. It ain't gonna get too much cleaner, but I put my hands in gas. I don't like fingerprints. They ain't gonna drip though, y'all. I don't know what you think, but I like it. Yeah, you know what it is. 412 Car Care. We in Pittsburgh, in the tri-state area. Get at your boy. Alright, so it's nighttime now, unfortunately. But you guys got to see the process I went through, which is what's up. Y'all know what it is with the Enclave, smoked out, factory chromies. Wheels was on drip, but we drove through the rain. Yeah, sorry about the picture quality. Also, it's night, you know. But yeah, Buick gang for sure. We're gonna get this right. We're gonna get this right. This is LaCrosse. So we got 08 LaCrosse. Wait. That's a 2010 LaCrosse, 2009 Lucerne, 2008 Enclave. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be Buicked out. Be Buicked out for sure. Thanks for watching.